can still see here that in both stations, in Metro Manila, we can still see that during the month of May, mas mataas pa rin yung kanilang heat index values. And typically,
Yan ang sabi ng Pag-asa sa pagdinig ng Senado sa kung dapat ibalik sa Hunyo ang pasukan sa eskwela. Kung gagawin yan, maiiwasan daw talaga ang matinding init tuwing Abril at Mayo. Yun nga lang matatapat naman sa tag-ulan, bagamat piling araw lang naman yung sobrang lakas niyan. Sabi nga ng Department of Health, ang ulan na iiwasan, pero ang init nararamdaman kahit saan. Pero tila wala nang dapat pagtalunan dahil kahapon pa sinabi ng DepEd na nagsumiti na sila sa Pangulo ng mas agresibong pagbabalik sa dating school year dahil siya ang may kapangyarihang magdesisyon yan. Sa bagong plano, kukulangin ng 15 araw ang pasok ng mga estudyante. Pwede naman daw itong punan ng Saturday classes. Resulta raw ito ng dati ng survey kung saan hindi talaga init ang idinahilan ng mga sumagot.
The position taken by the Department of Education and the gradual reversion to the April-May school break was based on the following. Number one, it is the preference of majority of the general public as reflected in the surveys conducted on the matter. And second, the significant economic impact of summer breaks as a tourism drive for local destinations in the country. Therefore, we would like to take this opportunity to clarify that the decision of gradual revert to April-May school break was not brought about by climate or weather considerations.
Habang wala pa yan, may kapangyarihan ng mga school administrator na magsuspende ng klase o mag-shift sa alternative delivery kaya hiling nila ang mas detalyadong heat index mula sa Pag-asa.
May I suggest to Pag-asa to come up with a location specific, kung kaya lang with technology, so that our principals and LGUs will be guided on what actions they will take.
in order for us to estimate the values of temperature for a particular location in the absence of a sensor, for instance.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Dano Tingkung ko ang inyong saksi.